Crash Course: Unlocking the Power of Effective Communication. Introduction. In our personal development and well-being crash course, we now delve into the realm of effective communication skills. Communication is the lifeblood of human interaction, shaping our relationships, careers, and personal growth. Mastering effective communication is not only essential for conveying our thoughts and ideas but also for fostering understanding, building connections, and resolving conflicts. Story: The Power of Words. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst towering mountains, lived a wise elder named Samuel. Samuel had a unique gift: he could heal people with his words. Whenever someone approached him with a heavy heart or a burdened mind, Samuel would sit with them, listening intently, and then gently share his wisdom. His words had the power to uplift spirits, mend broken hearts, and inspire positive change. One day, a young woman named Maya sought Samuel's counsel. She had lost faith in herself and felt trapped in a cycle of self-doubt. Samuel, with his warm smile, assured her that she possessed immense potential. He encouraged her to speak kindly to herself, using affirmations that would ignite her inner strength. Maya took Samuel's advice to heart and began a journey of self-discovery, transforming her life and inspiring those around her. This story highlights the profound impact of effective communication. Our words hold the power to uplift, motivate, and inspire others. By honing our communication skills, we can harness this power to create positive change in our own lives and the lives of those we encounter. Now, let's explore the top 12 effective communication techniques that will enhance your personal and professional relationships. 1. Active listening: give your full attention and engage with the speaker. 2. Clarity and conciseness: express your thoughts clearly and succinctly. 3. Nonverbal communication: pay attention to body language, gestures, and facial expressions. 4. Empathy and understanding: seek to understand others' perspectives and emotions. 5. Emotional intelligence: recognize and manage your own emotions and empathize with others. 6. Respectful feedback: provide constructive feedback while respecting others' feelings. 7. Adaptability: adjust your communication style to suit different individuals and situations. 8. Conflict resolution: use effective communication to resolve conflicts and find mutually beneficial solutions. 9. Storytelling: utilize narratives to convey messages and engage your audience. 10. Confidence and assertiveness: express yourself with confidence and assert your needs respectfully. 11. Nonviolent communication: practice compassionate communication to promote understanding and harmony. 12. Cultural sensitivity: respect and appreciate cultural differences to foster inclusive communication. Summarizing the writing. Effective communication is an essential skill that empowers us to connect with others, build meaningful relationships, and achieve personal and professional success. By embracing active listening, clarity, empathy, and adaptability, we can enhance our communication abilities and create positive interactions in every aspect of life. Remember, effective communication is not just about the words we speak but also the way we listen, understand, and respect others. Poem. In the realm of words, let us explore the art of connection we can't ignore. Effective communication, a skill so profound, weaving bonds of understanding all around. With active listening, we lend our ear, creating a space where others feel near. Clarity and conciseness: our thoughts unfold, communicating ideas, stories yet untold. Nonverbal cues: unspoken but true, the language of the body, emotions in view. Empathy and understanding: hearts aligned, building bridges of connection, one of a kind. Feedback: a gift wrapped with care, respectful and constructive, we share. Adaptability: a dance of conversation, adjusting our style, forging relation. In conflicts, we find resolution, using communication as our solution. Storytelling paints a vivid scene, Engaging hearts, where connections convene. Confidence and assertiveness, standing tall. Expressing ourselves, answering the call. Nonviolent communication, compassion in voice. Creating harmony, giving others a choice. Cultural sensitivity, a world so diverse. Embracing differences, our communication immersed. These techniques we master, our skills refined. Unlocking the power of words, the connections we find. In summary, effective communication is the key to building bridges, creating harmony. With these techniques in our repertoire, we can navigate relationships near and far. So let us embrace this personal development quest. Mastering communication, our very best. For in the realm of words, we hold the might to connect, inspire, and shine our light. Psalm. Verse 1. In a world where words hold power, we learn to communicate, hour by hour. From active listening to empathy's touch, we weave a tapestry of connection, oh so much. Chorus. Effective communication, our guiding star. Building bridges, no matter how far. Through clarity and understanding's embrace, we create a world of warmth and grace. Verse 2. With nonverbal cues and feedback, we learn to communicate, connect, and discern. Adapting to situations, with grace and ease. Resolving conflicts, finding commonalities. Chorus. Effective communication, our guiding star. Building bridges, no matter how far. Through clarity and understanding's embrace, we create a world of warmth and grace. Bridge. Storytelling unfolds the tales we share. Captivating hearts, showing that we care. Confidence and assertiveness, standing tall. Expressing ourselves, breaking down the wall. Chorus. Effective communication, our guiding star. Building bridges, no matter how far. Through clarity and understanding's embrace, we create a world of warmth and grace. Outro. Cultural sensitivity, a treasure to hold. Embracing diversity, stories yet untold. With these techniques, we unlock the power of communication, blooming like a flower. As we conclude this crash course on effective communication, remember that the art of communication is a lifelong journey. Continuously practicing and honing your skills will enable you to forge deeper connections, navigate challenges with grace, and foster positive relationships in all aspects of your life. Embrace the power of effective communication, and watch as it transforms your personal and professional interactions. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.